felt so good.
There we go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Drop down a little bit here. One more time. Deep breath in and out. There we go. Good. Okay. Let me get you to sit up on the table for me, and then I'll have you straddle the table. One leg on either side. Perfect.
Oh.
There we go.
Those are great.
Okay. Go face down. I want to check the sacrum. Yep, face me first. Good. Leg. Good, good. Foot.
Tight.
The seated one already got it.
Oh, that got so much.
Yeah, I just want to see if there's anything left here. Just that a little bit. Okay.
No baby one.
On your back for me.
Okay.
Alright, so I am going to remove your shoes because I know you. Do a little bit of shearing of the forefoot. Good. Relax, relax. There we go. Scoot back just a little bit. Good. These little toes here as well. Okay, squeeze your elbows together, lean back.
Oh, wow.
Good.
That was awesome.
That's that.
I got that exact spot that I was talking about.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Alright. Relax right there. And breathe. Deep breath in.
This video is a great chiropractic treatment. If you find it interesting, please subscribe to my channel.
Let's start.
Pain?
There.
Oh my god. Okay, gentle. Deep breath in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good, now let everything sink in. Let your shoulders sink. Good, let your hips sink. Let it go. That was crazy. Go with the shoulders down. How's that? Is it still tender?
Not as bad. That feels good.
Okay. Okay, this one's a little bit different. This time we're gonna push at the top of your breath, okay? It's releasing. Good. Super deep. Good. Deep breath in and out. Come all the way down. Good. Now let that go. Let it go. Yeah. Turn your head and face straight that way. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring your hips down to like here, and then give a little push like that. Okay. A little bit of a. Okay, take a nice soft breath in, out. Good, let your shoulders relax and just kind of let this come down. Good, gentle. There's more, hold on. Perfect. We're gonna bring this up to here like this. Okay, good, nice and gentle here. Oh my God. Okay, so for the next one, what I'm gonna do is bring your head down to it right about there. Okay. Gentle, good. Just kind of let everything relax. Good. Breathe out. Oh my God. Characteristics of alpha dominance.
That's good.
I bet. Thanks. Plates are here.
Mm-hmm. Plates are along here.
Okay. Just kind of want to let that relax. Let both of them relax. Good. How does it feel? Give me some words.
That seems. You are a miracle worker.
Let's go.
Pelvis down. I'm going to specifically try to contact that sacrum in the same exact spot. There you go. Let that roll. Got it. Light face down again and test it. Same type of test that we've been doing where you lift that left leg. And we're looking for snake my hand through. You're going to give me a little snug on that arm. I'm going to come into the lumbar. Got it. Do you feel those?
Yeah.
Okay. One more time, light face down. Just recheck it. And blow it out. Big breath in and blow it out. Breath in and blow it out. Good. Lie on your back, please. Did you adjust your neck today?
Pardon?
Can I release your neck today?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so scoot all the way to the top of the table.
Would you like to massage your world? Did you enjoy watching the video? Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.